Are you a video editor constantly battling deadlines and low pay? Out. Juggling endless layers? Feeling overwhelmed by your workload? And despite all your hard work, your earnings just aren't adding up. It's a common struggle, but it doesn't have to be your reality. Imagine having the same skills but earning significantly more. Many editors are doing it. Today I'll show you how. It all comes down to smart pricing strategies. The difference can be truly transformative for your income. So, pay close attention. Your financial future depends on it. Did you know that $5,000 a month editors aren't just a myth? They exist, thriving with high-figure earnings and consistent demand. Clients are out there, actively seeking skilled professionals. But many talented editors remain stuck, unsure how to break through. They search for answers, often finding conflicting or unhelpful advice. It's time to cut through the noise and ditch those ineffective strategies. We're going to fix this step by step starting now. You're ready to transform your business and your income. Let's start with the most common, yet often flawed approach: hourly pricing. The logic seems simple. Work more, earn more, right? But what happens when you become more efficient? You improve your skills, deliver faster, and suddenly you earn less. It's counterintuitive. Your improvement is penalized. Clients start questioning your time, leading to micromanagement. This model ties your income directly to the limited hours in a day. It's a recipe for burnout, not financial freedom. Hourly pricing is a trap. It limits your growth and value. There's a better way to value your expertise and time. Next, let's examine per-minute pricing. It seems fairer, right? More output, more money. Clients appreciate the predictability. For example, a 10-minute video costs a set amount. But not all minutes are created equal. Consider the effort. You could be paid the same for vastly different workloads. This leads to overworking on complex projects without fair compensation. The hidden problem is the lack of complexity adjustment. While better than hourly, it's still an imperfect system. Let's explore a strategy that truly rewards your efficiency. Now, let's talk about per-video pricing. This is where things get interesting. Imagine a consistent income, project after project. The confident editor role _02 efficiently batches work, optimizing his time. Your speed directly translates into higher profit. Clients love the clarity, and you gain more control. You convert your estimated time into a fixed price, adding a buffer. This model is scalable, allowing you to grow your business. Now, a crucial warning: avoid generic pricing packages. They confuse clients and fail to address unique needs. This mismatch attracts low-budget clients and devalues your work. High-end clients seek personalization, not off-the-shelf solutions. Generic packages kill your value. Avoid them at all costs. Now, let's talk about the retainer model, a game changer for stability. Imagine consistent monthly payments and a steady workflow. This builds trust and allows for a more relaxed lifestyle. The retainer model changes everything, offering true financial peace. But be realistic. Don't overcommit and balance your workload. Finally, the ultimate level, value pricing. You're not just editing, you're creating tangible results. Charge based on the impact you deliver, not just your time. Big clients pay a premium for real business growth. You're not just an editor, you're a strategic partner. Master these strategies and transform your editing career. The confident editor role _02 works efficiently, surrounded by success. It's the same skill, but with a much smarter system. Don't stay stuck. Fix your pricing today and thrive. Or choose to remain in the cycle of frustration. The choice is yours. Elevate your value.